Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to maths class. Remove page number 34 of your textbook. Predecessor and successor. So what is predecessor? Predecessor means a number before number before it. Okay. Successor means after the number. Predecessor means before, or you can write by subtracting minus 1 from the given number, and successor means after the number and you can add one number to the given number to get successor. So simply predecessor means before and successor means after. So in predecessor you can minus or subtract 1 from the given number, you will get the predecessor, and successor you have to add one number to the given number, then you will get the successor. For example, here 2959. So before 59 what comes? 2958, means this is a predecessor of this number, and successor means after. So 2959 plus 1, that is equal to 2960. So after, before is predecessor, after is successor. So let's see on page number 35. Practice zone 6. Write the predecessor and successor of the following numbers. So 1999. Before 1999 the number comes 1998, and the after 1999 the number comes 2000. So this is the predecessor and this is the successor. You can minus 1 from the given number. 2949 minus 1 is equal to 2948, and here you will get 2949 plus 1, 2950. So like this you have to write all the, find out all the predecessor and successor. Predecessor means before and successor means after. Now comparing the numbers. So to compare 4-digit numbers, we put them in the place value chart. Let us look at some example. Compare 1456 and 6982. So ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 6982, 1456. For comparing the numbers, first we will see the biggest number. So on biggest position, that is the 1001. So here 6 is there and here 1 is there on 1000 place. So which is the bigger one, 6 or 1? Yes, 6 is the bigger number. So the number 6982 is the bigger one. Now secondly, if the thousand place of both the side are same, so what we have to do? Then we have to compare to the next number, that is on 100 position. अगर 1000 की प्लेस के नंबर सेम रहे तो आप 100 से कंपेयर करेंगे. So here 6 is there and 5 is there. So 6 is a larger number than the 5. That's why 3639 is the bigger number. Now if 100 and 1000 place are same, you can see here 100,000 place are same, 100 place are also same. So in this case what we have to do? Then we have to compare the tens one, 7 and 3. Of course 7 is the bigger number. So 8479 is bigger than 8437. And okay, if tens are also same, then what we have to do? If thousands are also same, hundred position is also same, tens position is also the same, then how you are going to compare? Then only the ones are remaining, then you have to compare that number. If the number is bigger, just like 9, then this whole number will be bigger. Okay. If all thousand, hundred, tens and ones position of both the side are same, then the number is are equal. You have to put this sign then. Okay. If all the digits are same of both the sides, then only the number is equal. So come on, let's solve this. Compare the following numbers: 1420, 2599. So first we will compare from the 1001. Okay, here 1 is there and here 2 is there. So which one is larger? Yes, 2001. So we'll put crocodile mouth here. Now see B1, 8692, 2324. So first you have to compare 1001. So 8000 is bigger. 3621 and 3520. So here you can see 1000 place are same. So now we have to compare from the 100 position. So 6 is larger than 5. So this is the bigger number. 5562 and 5589. Here tens, hundred, thousand and hundred place are same. Then you are going to compare with tens one. So here 6 is there and here 8 is there. So this is the bigger one. Here also 9871 and 9879. Here 1000, hundred and tens are same. So we have to compare one's position, that is 1 and 9. So 9 is larger. 4625, 3625. So this is bigger. 6999 and 7000. 3357 and 1357. 7000 and 8000. Okay, so like this you have to complete. Now we'll start ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, we know ascending order means you have to arrange the numbers from smaller to larger, and descending order means from larger to smaller, and ascending order is also known as increasing order. So as we have seen earlier that ascending means smaller to bigger. Just here is that thing is that 4-digit numbers are there, and now only I've explained you how to compare the numbers. So let's see the example. Ascending order: 1375, 1379, 1380, 1381. Okay, so the numbers are arranged from smaller to larger. Okay, you can see here 1000 and 100 place are same in all the numbers, but tens place are same in some and other in some, and in ones the other numbers are there. So these numbers are arranged from smaller to larger, that is known as ascending order, and descending order means from larger to smaller. 13, 1381, 1380, 1379 and 1375. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. You have to arrange these numbers in ascending order and descending order in your notebooks. Okay, first of all, what you are going to compare? You have to compare first the thousand position numbers. Okay, so arrange these numbers in ascending and arrange these numbers in descending order. Now turn the page. On page number 38, you can see do and documents are there. Make groups of 4. Take a pack of playing cards. Remove all the cards of tens, jacks, kings and queens. Shuffle the cards and keep them on the table. Consider ace as 1. Each group will take turn to come and then each member of the group will pick one card. The member of the group will make a 4-digit number. Write it on a sheet of paper. Stand in the ascending order of the number you made. So cards your group picked and number made by your group, and then arrange that numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger. Remove your observation book, part 1, page number 16. On page number 16, question number 6, complete the table by writing the predecessor and successor of the given number, just we have done now. Okay, so write their homework. Question number 6. So how you are going to write? 6689. So minus 1. 6688. And what is the successor? 6690. Okay, like this you have to solve. Now question number 7 is also homework. You have to compare both the numbers and write the appropriate signs, bigger, smaller or equal to. Then on page number 17, question number 8 is there. That is also your homework. Here numbers are given. You have to arrange that numbers in ascending and the numbers in descending order. Ascending means from smaller to larger and descending means larger to smaller. And how you have to compare, I have explained you. Now question number 9. Write the number names for the house numbers of the following 4 friends. This is also your homework. These are the houses, names are written and the house numbers are written here. You have to write these numbers. You have to write the number name of these numbers. इसको spelling में लिखना है. For example, 2435. 2435. Okay, like this you have to solve question number 9. Now question number 10 is there. Make the largest and smallest 4-digit number using the following digits. आपको यहाँ पे नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं. आपको इससे सबसे छोटा नंबर बनाना है और सबसे लार्जेस्ट नंबर बनाना है एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर यू हैव टू मेक. ओके, सो लार्जेस्ट नंबर क्या बनेगा इसका? 8652 because the bigger number here is 8. Okay, 8000. Now how you are going to make the smallest number? 2568 is the smallest one. Okay, like this you have to solve it. Now question number 11. Write the predecessor of the following. largest 4-digit even numbers, 4-digit odd numbers, largest 4 digits. Okay, so your homework is till question number 10. Your homework is till question number 10 on page number 18. So solve nicely, correctly. Thank you.